GFI install or replacement. GFI is a ground fault interrupter. Is a safety device that protects people from electrical shock. GFI mostly used. There is a high risk of electrical shock, such as bathrooms, kitchen, outdoors, garage, and basements. Tools needed to replace or install GFI: wire cutter and stripper, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, current tester, and outlet tester or GFI tester. Also, we might need to extend the wires, so a pigtail and wire nut. So this is how your electric look like behind the wall. You have the main power, which is the positive or hot, and then you have the negative or neutral, and you have the ground. Now, before you do any electrical work, replacing a GFI or regular outlet, you want to make sure your power is off. So right now it's active. First thing or first step we will do is we're going to turn the breaker off. And we want to make sure there is nothing live. Where is the outlet? After we turn the power off and ready to install the GFI or replace it, each GFI will have a attention yellow label on it. It's indicating this one you don't need to use unless you need to feed from it as a load to another outlet and make it a GFI protected. If you want to feed into a regular outlet without being protected by GFI, you can just feed off of the main terminals. The main terminals will be labeled as hot wire for the yellow, and then for the white, which is the neutral, will be silver, and the green will be for the ground. Okay, so we will start with as we explained, the hot, and we will put it to the gold color. Then we can connect the neutral, which is white. And then we can connect the ground. Now, as I explained earlier, if we want to connect another outlet and have it a GFI protected, we need to remove the label. And connect the wires. And the colors will match, which is we will put the silver with the white and the black with gold color. And we need to connect the ground. line them up and tie them in. Now let's test the outlet before we put the cover on, just to make sure, just in case when we put it back, there's all the wires are still tacked and nothing got loose or disconnected. And we can put the tester and then turn the power back on. And our tester is still showing open hot, and the reason is it needs to be reset. Once we reset it, is already showing it's correct, a green light. Now also we can test the outlet that's we connected and fed it from the GFI and make sure it's a GFI protected. We can put the tester, and we supposed to be able to actually test it from the other one by hitting the test button right here, and it's already popped the GFI. That means our wiring is all good, and now it's good to put the cover back on. Now the final step, which is we can put the cover back on. Nice and tight and all done.